About the space. So here I clearly mentioned this dot. From the beginning itself, we don't know anything means called which is called null. So I want to be give some reference for this where it is located. So if it is circle, I can say the dot is in circle. So circle is not there, so I don't have any explanation about this dot. For that, I want to show this dot somewhere. So where it is means I want to draw a line which is not what you call x y z that kind of line, which is a ground line. First of all, we need to explain anything means where it is means on the earth. What is that? On the earth. So the earth which is staying. Then after we will give the some references for this. What is that means? For example, individually this is a vertical line and this is a horizontal line. When these two are going to be joined together, that is very important. When it is going to be joined together, when the perpendicular line is closely comes to the horizontal line, when they are going to be meet, when the horizontal line is going to be ready to join this one, unless until it is not going to be joining like this. If it is joining means what we are going to say, which is perpendicularly joined a horizontal line, right? So I need to extend this horizontal line like a diagonal like this. How it is? Like this. So some inclination happen for this horizontal line. Where it is? Again I want to project this line to up to top level like this. So now what is going to happen? Earlier it is a line. Then after I used to join two or more lines for this. So which is going to be happen as a plane. So that is clearly what is this? Vertical plane. What is this?
Vertical plane.
Then after I can extend my parallel line to the horizontal line. Then after just I used to draw the again one more diagonal line. Then what is this? Very good. Horizontal plane. Where these two planes are going to be met with the help of this horizontal line only. So these two are standing on earth. So this diagonal line will be the your just to say global axis. What is that?
Global axis.
Global axis. That global axis is going to be called in this projection of points XY reference line. What is that?
XY reference line.
XY reference line. So here the projection of points completely showing four quadrants. What is that means? Just I used to extend these are all the lines like this. So this is completion of what is this? Four quadrants, and this is completion of horizontal plane and vertical plane, right? So here for easy understanding I will draw a plus. What is this?
X1.
And what is this?
X dash.
Only two modes, two directionals. So for XY reference line, horizontal line, XY reference line, vertical line. So I will, these are all planes like this. Like this. So already I used to draw horizontal plane to vertical plane. So I want to see the where the point is going to be located from the beginning itself. We want to be give the reference for this. So the same point I used to allocate it, accommodate like this. So what is the condition now? So which is directly in front of
VP.
very good, in front of
VP.
vertical plane. Don't say VP. Used to call
Vertical plane.
Next, which is above the
Horizontal plane.
horizontal plane. Good. So now I used to recommend the dimensions for this. Say like anything where it is going to be located from above 20, 25, whatever it so. This is clearly called it as first quadrant. So what is the first quadrant condition?
Above HP.
First quadrant condition is
Above
a
HP.
point lies on.
Above HP.
Very good. Lies on above HP
In front of VP.
in front of.
VP.
So this is also called it as first angle
Projection.
Good. First angle projection. So always in first angle projection, front view lies on in front, means clearly shows that your mirror. Wherever you are going to stand it in front of your mirror, how your face look like in glass, same way when the observer is going to see this vertical plane, says that in front of view. Then observer again means looks observing from the top view again, which is for a vertical in front of VP above
HP.
these two planes are going to be visible in first angle direction only. First angle
Direction.
or direction only. Rest of that other what you call the statements are there. That statements are different than first angle projection. Always a human being is going to be observed clearly. One is front view, another is top
Top.
view. For example, I want to see some other things. Rest of this point means how it look like means. Then we will go for projection of lines, then projection of planes. So we will discuss that one. So now we have two planes. What are that? Horizontal plane,
Vertical plane.
and along with one reference line. These three are common for the remaining syllabus, not units. The remaining syllabus, whatever you have in your engineering drawing, that is totally this reference line, vertical plane, horizontal plane are going to be grooming. So are you people understanding what I am going to say? So these three conditions means three are parallelly grooming, look like for any diagram, like planes, then solids, then auxiliary views, isometric views, whatever you want to be. Without this XY reference line, you can't be. With this reference line only, you need to explain these are all the things. You getting or not? Then, so we completed this first quadrant. Then coming to second quadrant. Second quadrant, nothing is going to be changed. What is going to be changed? This point is shifted into here. This point or dot shifted into second angle, means second angle projection or second quadrant. Then we need to write the condition. What is that condition? What is that condition? Earlier people simply say that behind. Now I want to write a second quadrant. Second quadrant, a point lies. A point lies, which is very clear. Above HP,
Behind VP.
above HP,
Behind VP.
and behind
VP.
behind me. Why it is? The point distance never change, already staying on horizontal plane. But whenever the point is going to be shifted in anti-clockwise direction, observer staying here itself, which is behind of your mirror, means vertical plane. Unless until observer is going to be changing second angle projection, what is going to happen? Again same procedure. Above HP, here observer observing means in front of VP. But when the observer is going to be constant, he don't want to change his position, look like me. I don't want to change the things. I want to see the front view like this, right? But I don't know what is behind of that wall. You getting or not? So that wall, call it as a vertical plane, and I don't know what is going to be happen backside of that wall because it is not visible for me. So for what is my statement? Above HP, behind VP. Up to this two quadrants, do you have any doubts? Any doubts? Good. Next, shifted into that dot or point shifted into third angle projection. This third quadrant. So again, I state same first angle projection means observer state first angle projection. So what is the condition statement? Very good. Which is clearly
Below HP behind
below HP
behind VP.
behind VP. Clear. Which is not clearly visible, which is not understanding what is the condition they are going to give. So which is completely blind.
Blind.
So here observer completely looks front view and top view. But here it is not possible to see the front view and top view. Clear. So here one thing is clearly opposite words of below and behind. What is below opposite word means?
Above.
Clearly above. Next behind opposite
In front.
Are you clear or not?
Clear.
Are you clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we have the condition below and
Behind.
behind. But front above and
In front.
Clearly. So this third quadrant is also closed. Next, the same dot is going to be shifted into fourth quadrant. Here what is the condition?
Below HP.
Below HP, good.
In front.
Next, this one
In front of
observer looks
In front of VP.
so in front of so this is fourth quadrant. Earlier that was third quadrant. Now this is fourth quadrant. Clearly we have to give the reference accommodation in fourth quadrant. What is that? A point lies below HP and in front of VP.
VP.
So here the very useful thing is we have four words along with vertical plane, horizontal plane, reference plane. Then adding four words. What are that? Very good. So clearly you people, I think so, clearly understood what is first angle projection, second angle, third angle projection and fourth angle projection. So look like four quadrants, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Then we used to come into the added words are, first one is horizontal plane, so which is short form is HP, and vertical plane, which is the short form is VP. Next XY, global axis, or in examination for tricky questions people usually call it as global axis, or directly we used to call it as reference line. So in bracket RL. This is also known as reduced line. Okay? Otherwise reference axis RA, because RL will repeat into projection. So don't get that. So reference line, global axis or reference line, vertical plane, horizontal plane, common for all those things. Then added with these three, with another four. What are that? What are that? Very good. First one above, second one below, and third one behind, and fourth one very good, in front. So these four words are incubated with these three. So far we have to go for other conditions or two conditions, because in four quadrants an observer is going to be observing front view, top view, side view. So according to their orientation, means observer orientation, we need to change these views. So when the observer or what you call audience are going to be observing any object, he want to be change his position, then automatically the directions are going to be changed. Whenever he want to be stay alone, means alone or constant, the directions are going to be nothing change. Whatever the statements we are given, that four quadrants are going to be playing a vital role. You people want to be understanding the problem. So what is that? First of all, we want to see that. So there are four words and there are two planes. So again we have the four condition. First condition, second condition, third condition, and fourth condition. What is that? A point lies on above in front. So 1 and 4. Next, a point lies on these four. First and very good. 3. Very good. Next, a point lies on very good 2 and 3. Next, a point lies on 1 and
4.
very good 2 and 4. Are you clear about these statements? How these relations are coming to close give these four statements? Then here tricky thing is two things are there. What are that means? The first condition is when we consider with respect to reference line. X, Y, those words are first one above and below. So on HP and VP clearly shows that. Very good, front view. Next, second one, in front and behind HP or VP clearly shows that top view. How many things are happened now?
2.
Clearly. From the beginning we don't know anything, just it is a dot. Then after how many things are joined with respect to represent this? These are all the things joined. Whatever we used to explain, two planes, one XY reference plane, then after above, below, behind, in front. These four words are going to be incubating with these three. Then after we came to know the first angle projection, second angle projection, third angle projection, and fourth angle projection. After that, when we consider with respect to the reference line, these words above and below, HP or VP, in front and behind, HP or VP, when we used to serious thing of the entire chapter is, this is very very important. This is very very important. We need to observe the question clearly, which is which condition, the point, the line, the plane, whatever it is, which condition, which is in first quadrant or second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is very very important. When we are getting one clarity about the accommodation of point or line, whatever it's, then we will go for it to treat first angle projection or second angle, third and fourth angle projection with respect to the problem given. You getting or not? So the must and should understanding thing is where it lies, means where it accommodates, front view or top view. So these are very very important in projection of points. Along with blindly says that one more important point is whenever there is no explanation about these are all the things, simply says that a point in HP and 20 mm in front of